मनीषा, सबसे पहले तो कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन आपके एक नए गाने के लिए। 6 घंटे के अंदर 15 लाख व्यूज। किस तरीके से देखती हैं आप ये नंबर?
एक्चुअली मैं आज बहुत बिजी थी कि आई एम स्टक विद दीज
जी।
इंटरव्यूज, तो मैंने देखा नहीं यू नो अबाउट द व्यूज जो आप बोल रहे हैं। आई एम ग्लैड, आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट पीपल आर लविंग इट. ऑफ कोर्स वी हैड दिस थॉट that we want to revive this Lavani folk dying form of art through this film. So that was what Mahesh sir wanted to do. And I'm glad that people are talking about the Lavani today. So जो मकसद लेके हम जा रहे थे today, it's fulfilled.
ओके, लवनी की अगर बात करूं मैं, तो कितनी प्रिपरेशन आपको इसके लिए करनी पड़ी? क्योंकि काफी जो हम स्टेप्स हम देख रहे हैं काफी डिफिकल्ट है आपके। एक अंदाज होता है महाराष्ट्र में, एक उनका अंदाज होता है, एक तरीका होता है वो करने का, तो वो पकड़ना कितना टफ एंड इजी रहा आपके लिए?
तो it's definitely not an easy form of dance at all. और of course responsibility लेके मुझे जाना पड़ा because it is to learn a form of dance. It's not just picking up steps from here and there and putting a song together. No, it is a requirement for the film. And of course I wanted the entire coastal belt who will watch it, who know the song, who know this form of dance. I wanted them to look at it and be happy that we are reviving the Lavani. So we didn't have much time for rehearsal. बस 3 दिन थे, मगर जो हम 3 महीने में करते हैं, we have tried to do that in 3 days with lots of rehearsals. Kruti जो है my choreographer, who's got a great body of work, and she's worked with Sanjay Leah Bansali and on songs like Pinga. So I was quite happy to have her on board. She helped me with my expression. She helped me with nice steps. जो tough थे, they're not easy. तो we shot for 2 days, rehearsed for 3 days. It was a tough time. Bandage बांध के but I'm glad कि you guys are loving it.
ओके, जब ये गाना आप तक पहुंचा तो व्हाट वाज योर रिएक्शन एंड किस तरीके से आया ये गाना?
So Mahesh sir, maybe वो coastal connection है शायद, because I'm from Goa. And so Mahesh sir believed that I could pass off for a Maharashtrian, and he offered me the song. So of course I was very nervous. हाँ, तो मैंने हाँ कह दिया, फिर excuse me sir बोल के मैं गई immediately Google पे Lavani. Okay, so to understand what I've gotten myself into. Yeah, then I decided I will take it up as a challenge. I'm grateful that sir thought that I would be able to pull it off, and yeah, here it is.
सबसे ज्यादा मुश्किल कौन सा पार्ट रहा आपके लिए?
तो उसमें एक स्टेप है which we have incorporated, where I bend backwards, and I thought I didn't want to do it, but apparently people are really loving that step. That was quite difficult. The song itself is very fast in terms of movement of your feet. You could be doing an expression, but your feet are constantly moving. So that was difficult, but we've managed.
ओके, कितना प्रेशर हो जाता है जब इतने बड़े फिल्म्स के साथ में नाम जुड़े हो, लाइक महेश मांजरेकर, सलमान खान, तो बतौर एक्टर कितना प्रेशर हो जाता है?
तो for me it is literally I have to pinch myself and say, Valusha, wake up, this is actually happening. I think सुबह में I got very nervous कि oh हाँ, this is going to finally release. जब हम काम करते हैं तो इसके बारे में हम नहीं सोचते हैं. हाँ, responsibilities हैं that you don't want to disappoint team Antim, you don't want to disappoint your producers, you don't want to disappoint directors, and definitely you don't want to disappoint the audience. But in the morning, I think when I woke up, I understood the magnitude of what is going to happen. This is a song in a big film that has got a great it's a great production house. It's got Salman in it, and I think I woke up today only realizing, oh, Valusha. So yeah.
एंड क्या रिएक्शन था उनका जब उन्होंने ये वाला गाना देखा?
I think when everybody is watching, they are really loving it. Again, it is essential in the flow of the film. We've shown, I think, the audience a bit. We've showed a bit, but it is a requirement in this film. So yeah, I'm glad we are all certainly talking about Lavani, which we have not spoken about in so many years. So the thought coming into this film was to revive this through this film, and that has happened. So
ओके, कहीं ना कहीं ये लग रहा है कि फिल्म में आपका रोल भी होना चाहिए, मिस कर लीजिए लगे।
that if the audience is going to say that, then wow, I'm flattered. But I mean, I've just started working. आगे देखते हैं क्या होता है.
किस तरीके का रिस्पांस आ रहा है कि फोन्स मैसेजेस कॉल्स क्या रिएक्शन
अभी के लिए फिलहाल I'm doing interviews with you, so I have not checked. I have
बोला कि हाँ यार ये चीज अच्छी है ऐसा
I haven't checked my phone yet, actually, but yes, of course, when I have the time, I have checked, and people, the reactions that are coming in, you know, they didn't expect to see me in a get-up like this. They didn't expect to see me as, like, you know, dressed in a traditional attire, dancing as a Maharashtrian to a folk art and dance. So in that way, I'm glad that I was able to surprise the audience again.
ओके एंड अगर अंतिम की अगर बात करूं तो किसकी परफॉर्मेंस के लिए ज्यादा एक्साइटेड हैं? सलमान भी हैं, आयुष भी हैं, एंड महेश जी तो डायरेक्ट कर रहे हैं, वो भी इस फिल्म के अंदर हैं, तो क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे फिर भी?
I mean, of course, we all wait to see Salman in every film, and this is yet another offering. Ayush in this film is completely different from his look. His avatar has completely changed from his Love Yatri days to now this film. Completely is repackaged in a way. So I'm rooting for him. I'm excited for him. Yeah, so I just hope that everybody loves the film as much as they have loved the trailer. The trailer got a lot of love. All the songs in the film are also getting a lot of love. So yeah, we have our fingers crossed.
ऋषभ, बहुत कम काम करते हैं हम आपको देखते हुए, मतलब लास्ट टाइम जो हमने फिल्म में आपको देखा था तो फैन में हमने आपको देखा था, उसके बाद में फिर आपने कुछ किया, लेकिन क्या क्या समझा जाए, काफी चूजी आप आपके काम को लेकर?
choosy, no, I think जो opportunities जो अब आ रहे हैं वो तब नहीं आ रहे थे. I don't know what that was. मगर I think OTT के बाद, you know, OTT gives a chance to actors to explore and to showcase their talent as well. Directors are thinking out of the box. Characters are designed around women these days. So I think my opportunities have started coming in post the OTT world opening up. And today I'm just happy to have all this work that's in my hand right now.
ओके, तो क्या क्या आने वाला है आपकी तरफ से? जिससे कि मैं जानता हूँ कि काफी आपके पास वेब सीरीज के काफी लाइनअप्स हैं, उनके बारे में कुछ बताइए.
So I shot for Crackdown 1 and my character Garima Kalra got a lot of love from the audience. हालांकि वो एक negative role है, but people still loved it. So we are shooting Crackdown 2 again. Huge responsibility to keep that character going, keep the love that the people have given me, keep that going, so not to disappoint them again. Then I have shot for Hotstar. We've shot a show called Escape Live, which is a tech thriller that should be releasing sometime early next year with Siddharth Tiwari. So that's a very different character, a very strong portrayal of a woman in charge. Excited about that. Of course, my Penthouse with Abbas Mastan is also scheduled to release. That's a thriller again. So I seem to be doing a lot of stuff around the thriller genre.
Okay, कुछ अगर आपने जो लाइनअप बताया काफी अलग-अलग डिफरेंट कैरेक्टर भी होंगे, जो अगर पर्सनली अगर आपकी अगर बात करें तो कौन सा सबसे ज्यादा कैरेक्टर आपको एक्साइट किया ये जो आने वाली प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं?
You know, Crackdown is going to be very close to my heart forever and always. I played a negative and I did action, and I'm just glad that, you know, again Apurva Lakhia gave me that opportunity and saw me doing that. So that will always be very close to my heart because I feel my real journey started post that. So I'm doing everything that I love. Maybe I want to do comedy or rom-com. I don't know. Let's see.
Lastly, 26 तारीख को फिल्म आ रही है. What would you like to say?
So, yeah, well, I just want to tell the audience, please go out, watch it, give it all your love. Theaters have opened up after so long. You know, it's a film that one can watch with your entire family. Go have fun, send all your love. Ayush, you'll see in completely different avatar as you have already seen in the trailer. Of course, there's Salman, who, you know, we enjoy watching and we go to the theaters for. There's Meena Lavani song. So, yeah, please go out and watch it.
Thank you so much, Alisha, हमसे बात करने के लिए.
Thank you. Thank you so much.